Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. So I am back with another recipe, another video. Today I am going to make one of my favorite dish. Yes, actually I don't have one favorite dish, I have list of favorite dish. From that one of my favorite dish. So today we are going to make Keema cutlet. That is my mom's recipe. So what you're waiting for? Let's watch. So thank you for watching my video, and please do follow me on Insta Cook with IB, and please subscribe my YouTube channel Kitchen-tastic. Thank you everyone for following and supporting me. I need your support. Please support me and my dream. Thank you so much.